everybody, Katie here. On today's episode of Kitty Gang, we are going to show you how to make this plant stand as well as jewelry holder. Let's get started. So first you are going to need a wooden dowel as well as some copper fixings. We are using some copper caps as well as copper tees. You're going to take your wooden dowel and measure it out accordingly. All of the measurements that you will need, or I should say that I'm using, you can find online on our website. After you've measured and cut everything, go ahead and sand down the tips a little bit. This will just make it much easier to pop into the copper fixings, and you will only need a minimal amount of wood glue. Lay your copper tees out like so, and then take one of your 3.5 inch pieces and put it in each one. Attach them all together to form a square like so. It takes a little bit of jimmying and squishing, but in the end it works out good. Then you're going to take a sip of wine, obviously, one of our 2.25 inch pieces. Then you're going to attach a copper tee on either side as well. First we started with the bottom legs. Those are 15 inches each. Flip it upside down, and then you're going to put a 5-inch piece on top. That will just kind of help hold the plant in it a little bit more in case there's a gust of wind or whatnot. Place a copper tee on top to just add some pizzazz. I found it wasn't sturdy, so I took it apart and glued it all back together. After it dried, it was perfect. So here we are with our jewelry stand. You are going to take one 10-inch piece and then glue a copper tee on either ends. Then you're going to take a 4-inch piece and put it on the top half, we'll call it. That's basically where you're going to hang your necklaces and your bracelets and watches and whatnot. Then take a copper cap and put it on either end to just make it look a little bit prettier. For the bottom, you are going to take a 3.5 inch piece and put it on either side of that copper tee. And instead of a copper cap, we're going to put a copper tee on either end of those. And for the 4 remaining openings, you're going to go ahead and take a 1.5 inch piece and then pop a cap on either end of those. It just makes it a little bit sturdier and it stands up straight. I'm super happy with how this one turned out, and I'm going to be using it every day. We always want to say thanks for watching. Give us a follow, and if you make anything, be sure to tag us in it and let us know how it goes. Bye!